Welcome. Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Nanny. Today I'm here with my favorite guy, my husband Andre. Okay, that was a bigger push than I expected.
Then I was
And today he has ventured into the crafty corner so we can do a craft together. He's not really a crafting guy, but today we're talking about Tesla. So he's decided to come on and let me put a Tesla decal on the sleeve of one of his shirts. So stay tuned so you can see what happens. I don't know what that dance was, but yeah. So hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Welcome to the show. This is your first time behind the counter, even though it has occupied our dining room for some time now. He has actually never stepped back here. So what's it feel like?
A different vantage point.
Which is?
We built it, and I've never been behind it. It just seems different. I see a different angle of the house.
I noticed you looking around like you don't live here. So I know that crafting's not really your thing, but since we are talking Tesla, and if anybody knows Andre, they know that he loves Tesla. Like, he will convert you into believing in Tesla if you spend enough time with him, right?
Yeah, I'm a believer in the company. I believe in the future growth of the company and the vision. And I think it's just an easy investment in terms of once you look at what they're doing and how they're trying to help society move forward, clean energy and all of that. I just believe in the company and what is in store in the future.
Yeah, we've had many such discussions. Like, even when I was going into labor, we were talking about Tesla. So,
Really?
See, you don't remember that, but I remember that. Yep. So Tesla is a big part of our lives, whether directly or indirectly. He is very focused on the company and wanting to know more about them and their developments and what they're doing. So today we'll just go ahead and make him part of the Tesla family officially by giving him a special edition Tesla shirt. He will be a Tesla Ranger. Is that what he'll be, I guess?
I like the sound of that.
That's what we'll call him. We'll call him a Tesla Ranger with his Tesla decal on his shirt.
Sounds like I need to be in the woods somewhere with a picnic basket.
I didn't think of that kind of ranger. I thought of a Power Ranger, but you know.
Okay.
If you want to have picnic with Boo Boo and Yogi Bear and Elon, then by all means go ahead. So anyway, today we're going to be making a graphic for his shirt. He is another athletic type shirt like this, and we'll be putting a Tesla logo on there. And I'll also make a Tesla shirt for our daughter.
Represent.
So we can have daddy-daughter shirts. Let's see how we do that. So what's it like being married to the Crafty Nanny?
I'm proud of you because I knew you had the talent in you all along. I don't know if it always used to come off, but I wanted to push you. And I hope I didn't push you off a cliff.
There's no turning back.
Yeah, but I'm all the different creations you had over the years, and I wanted it to get out there. Especially seeing like what you could create out of untouchables, things people would throw away. So I think that's a gifting.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I'm really happy to see it blossoming. And I think this is the beginning. And who knows what's next.
That's right. Yeah. And I'm glad that you're along for the ride, because a lot of this wouldn't happen without his support. Like, most times if I'm doing stuff, he's taking care of our daughter. So if I didn't have him, you guys wouldn't be seeing me on here. So I just want to say thank you, and I'm grateful for all that you've done for our family and that you continue to do. I know that you're not in the spotlight, you're not behind the camera, you don't stand behind the counter, but just know that you're an integral part of this story.
Thank you.
Alright, so we're gonna make him a Tesla t-shirt, and to do so I'll be using my Cricut. This is a magical cutting machine that cuts over 400 different types of materials, but today we'll be cutting standard t-shirt vinyl, nothing too crazy, and we'll just change a regular Tesla image, a picture of the Tesla logo, into an image that can be cut with the Cricut. So while you were gone, I actually took the opportunity to make our daughter's logo for her shirt. It says solar powered. So now we'll apply them to the shirts and we'll see what happens. We'll have Tesla aficionados going out into public. Okay, so this is not a very high-tech setup I have here. I just have a bamboo cutting board that's draped with a kitchen towel, and it provides a nice firm surface to apply the decal to the shirt. So we'll just find the right placement for the shirt. Make sure the sleeve is flat because you want it on the outside of your sleeve. So we're going to make sure that it's flat on there. Okay. I'm going to measure on him about how far down I should put it. From the seam. I'd say 2 inches from the seam I should put it. We have the Tesla logo. We're going to press it down onto his shirt. 2 inches from the seam. And now I'll drape the fabric with a Teflon sheet. This keeps the iron from sticking to the fabric as well as from sticking to the plastic carrier. See that clear thing? That protects the decal. Actually, you do it. Press down. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't move it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, just lift straight up. All right, did you apply any pressure?
Not too much.
Well, we'll check. We'll check to see if it's almost adhered. Just press down again. You don't have to put your full force. He's a very strong guy. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that should be good. Let's check. That looks like it's melted into the fabric. Ouch! Very hot, guys. Very, very hot. All right, I'm just going to take a peek and see if it's separated from the carrier sheet. And it looks like it has. It's still very hot, but it has attached to the shirt now. Peel the corners off gently.
Success!
Now you have your Tesla shirt. You'll wear it tomorrow?
It's baby Tesla.
Now we will do our daughter's shirt. Oh, it looks so orange on the screen, but it's actually a coral or a salmon type color. It's more orange on your screen than it is in real life. Should be good. All right, so this is again her little solar powered decal. The girl rises with the sun, so so this is very true in her case. Just trying to make sure it's mostly centered. Again, with my very mathematical methods here. Yeah, I think that's about good.
Yeah. Center is with the blue.
And it's like on her chest and not on her belly. Okay, so there's the decal down on her shirt. And I'll just press that for a few seconds. Oh, I see what's happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's check, see what's happening there. It looks like it's working. I'm just gonna press the end for good measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And then I'm gonna press towards me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. That should be fine. And then I'm going to attempt to remove the carrier sheet. And it looks like it's done a great job. Wait, guys. I did not mirror this. This makes me very sad.
That's to show you that this is live. Mistakes happen.
This makes me very sad, guys. I told you about mirroring, and then well, it looks mirrored on your screen because we're using the front camera, and so it works. And I'm going to say that, oh yes, I intended for if she stood in the mirror, she would see what it said, but in reality, I actually just forgot to mirror the image. So yeah, it looks good on camera, but in real life, It's backwards.
She can't read yet anyway, so it's okay.
That's true. She can't read yet. So. Alright guys, so this was my very brief crafting session with my husband. I'm sure you'll get to know him a little bit more as this crafty nanny journey unfolds. So I'm sure he'll wear the shirt tomorrow.
That's a given.
And I'll have Aubrey wear hers as well. You can check Instagram if you want to see them in their matching Tesla shirts. And in the meantime, keep crafting and we'll see you
next time.
That's right. Woo-hoo. Hold up your Tesla shirt.